of my nephew's son. Even though my nephew lost his life in a tragic accident. Akumanyolo, death. But today, we have good news. A child is born unto us. We are all gathered this dawn, after the 8th day that he was born, for us to name him. Before we do that, we have to invite the gods to be with us. Hey, let's invite the gods. Hojedo, Hodota, Hoiho, Matoma Uga Sobolisa, Adam Woto, Menachifa Fea, Benava Ira de Via, Bawachi, Anogbe. Oh, see my grandson. See my grandson. My child, this water pouring on you from the rooftop signifies that in this life, rain shall fall on you, but nothing shall happen to you. To the direction of the sun, Vineyard, this is for you to embrace life issues with ease. Can I have the cornflower? Cornflower. This cornflower that means to draw a circle around you shows protection against evil spirits. And this water that I'm sprinkling on you is for you to announce to the world that yes, you are amongst us. Uncle.
Vinye. Oh, Vinye.
Now, since the father is dead, let's call on Uncle Ekojo to come and give us the name of the child. What a remarkable name. A metaphor, a replacer indeed. He has come to replace the dead father. Water. My child, this water I'm putting in your lips. If it's water, you say it's water. This alcohol that I'm putting in your lips. If it's alcohol, you say it's alcohol. This is the foundation of truthfulness. It means, my child, you have to be truthful in all your endeavors. A metaphor. You are welcome. Now, for the name to be sealed, we have to share a drink. Let's share the drinks. Let's share. Oh, where are the gifts? Bring out the gifts. Oh, give it to the mother. Welcome. Thank you so much, Uncle Kojo. Thank you so much. Now, my people, are you not happy?
We are happy.
Are you not happy? Let's make merry. No. This is how naming ceremony is performed in my region. Akpenami, thank you.
Selorm is from the Volta region. I appreciate Selorm. Let's do it for Selorm. Now remember that her costume is from GTP Adishe, the premium black and white fabric for all traditional occasions. Thank you, GTP, for this beautiful piece. Janet, you were watching and listening with rapt attention. Did she do it for you?
Selorm, what I think you did well is you captured the essentials of the naming ceremony. All the necessary steps that you had to, you did. But tonight, somehow, I didn't connect with you, and I'll tell you why. Because it's a joyous occasion, and I had a feeling that it was a bit chaotic. The way you were handling the baby, it was so obvious that it was not a baby. You know, the mother didn't even smile during any part of the ceremony. Meanwhile, this ceremony is so joyful. So you missed that for me, unfortunately, this week. Next week, if you do come, get back to your old self where you connect with us. Is that okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Thank you.
All right, judges doing what they are supposed to do. Dr. Tabitha, let me come to you.
Well done, Selorm. You have brought new dynamics to the performance, but you made me see that the baby was a prop. You have to leave the baby on the floor. Next time, see the baby as a real baby and work well. Well done. Congrats.
Her name is Selorm. She is from the Volta region. And please remember that her costume is from GTP Adeshe, the premium black and white fabric for all traditional occasions. Okay, judges, thank you for the advice. But let's go to the Ahafo region and welcome Amwenima.